Hello, welcome. The music's really loud right now, so I'm pretty much shouting into the microphone. But this is Euro Truck, and today we're gonna be playing, and we're gonna be driving a truck, as you would expect. I think this guy is really kind of capturing what I'm about. I think he's really got the Oh, these guys, there's a lot of fucking pictures you can pick from here. This dude, it kind of looks like me. Like, I seriously don't think this fucking dude looks like me. These guys are really, it's really hilarious to see what the fuck. Like, what is this? Anyway, let's be realistic. Krampus Transporters. What the fuck is it? Alright, Krampus Crux. The Crux. That's my company name, Crux. I feel like Crux is like a racist thing for some fucked up reason. And we begin Euro Truck soon. Select the city you want to start in. Well, my friends, we're starting in... Fuck it, we'll start in Amsterdam, because I feel like Amsterdam's a bit well known. I'm from, like, my family's from the south of the Netherlands, so I kind of know, I would know Rotterdam better, but I'll go to Amsterdam. Dijon mustard. Welcome to Euro Truck Simulator 2. At last, you have the chance to experience your dream job. Driving a truck. Beeping. Meow. How do I indicate? How do I... Oh, stop. Oh. What the fuck? Alright, let's go back. I'm gonna fishtail this fucking piece of shit. Alright, let's go. How do I indicate? Is there a way? Fuck. Which side of the road do Europeans drive on? It's the other side, right? It's this side. They're like America. I hate, like, I need to, yeah. This is what that is 100% what I need. I need to be able to look around and, yeah. Fuckies in the mouse, dude. How do I don't know what the street signs mean. I'd say that's a problem. Red light. The ideal spot for unloading all of the delivered trailer was designated. At some terminals, you may use an easier... Oh shit, the light. If you get into trouble, you may also choose to finish the delivery. The rectangular area will be highlighted when the trailer is message asking you to... Oh, sorry. Who am I saying sorry to? I think it's in here, right? A skilled truck driver can deal with maneuvering in tight space when dropping off a trailer. However, cargo safety is a top priority. If you do not feel up to the challenge, negotiate with the dispatcher for a backup place to park the trailer. I'll go for that one. Gimme... Test me, motherfucker. Oh, it's fucking behind me. Oh, shit. Turning circle on this bad boy is clean. Don't crash. Oh, shit. Why is it so loud? Ah! Alright, Shit. Wait. What am I doing? Why is my trailer all the way there? Alright, let's try that again. How would I even do that? Dude, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Hey, come in here, get your jewels. No. Oh, let's go. No, 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 no. Why am I? What is happening? Why isn't the trailer going back? Oh shit. I learned physics. I learned physics, everybody. I just learned physics. And then... Oh shit. What the? Come in here, get your jewels. No, no, no. Ooh. Back it. Pretend that didn't happen. Pretend that didn't happen. Pretend that didn't happen. No, stop it. Stop it! Oh my god. Then the other way, and then the other way, then the other way, then the other... No, I fucked it, I fucked it, I fucked it, I fucked it, haven't I? No, 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 stop, stop, stop. That shit better push. No, it's the other way. Fuck, I keep forgetting, like, the laws of gravity. The laws of gravity. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, for fuck's sake. Run in here and come get your jewels. You'd think this wouldn't be that fucking hard, hey? And then this way, hard. Oh, yeah, I had it, I had it, I had it. Wait, wait, wait. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, dude. That took me 38 minutes. Come run in here and come get your jewel. This is totally random, off tangent. Actually, it's not too random. But the best Vine to quote at work is the fucking "I could have dropped my croissant" Vine. I did a bad rendition of it, but that's the best Vine to drop at work because we have croissants.